Hello everybody. Now we are going to see about teaching as a profession. Though there are many occupations, only a few are called a profession. Teaching is one among the other professions, but teaching is considered to be a noble profession. Let's see why it is seen as a profession, why it is called a noble profession. Before going into the topic, let's see the nature of teaching. The current system of schooling poses tremendous burden on children. Knowledge is essentially a human construct, a continuously evolving process through reflective learning. The National Curriculum Framework 2005 requires a teacher to be a facilitator of children's learning who can support and help children to construct their knowledge. Education is not a mechanical activity of information transmission, and teachers are not information dispensers. Teachers have to play the role of crucial mediating agents through whom the curriculum is transacted. To talk about the nature of teaching profession, teaching is an integral part of education. It is a system of actions intended to induce learning. Its function is to impart knowledge, develop understanding and skills. Teaching is a complex, goal-oriented and multifaceted activity. Teaching and learning are a set of events that are designed to bring about behavioral changes in learners. It is an event that happens outside the learners that supports the internal process which modifies the behavior of individual through learning. Hence, teaching is an internal process of learning. It is a systematic way to attain some predetermined objectives. It touches the three domains of learning such as cognitive, affective and psychomotor. Though it is a formal process through which teacher interacts with the students to give what he or she wants the learners to learn according to the learning needs, it is done in an informal atmosphere also. So, it can take place both formally as well as informally. Teaching is a planned activity which is based on individual differences in learning. It deals with different techniques, strategies and approaches that facilitate the learning of all children, catering to the individual differences. Next, we are going to see about teaching as a profession. Among all professions, teaching profession is very noble and great. Professionalism is a complex and elusive concept. It is dynamic and fluid. 6 generally accepted criteria are used to define a teaching profession. Teaching profession fulfills all these criteria in the following ways. Its members have an organized body of knowledge that separates the group from all others. Knowledge springs from different layers and spheres of life: social, political, historical, psychological, economic and cultural background. Teaching as a profession is based upon systematic body of knowledge emanated from different spheres of human life and activities. Teaching profession serves a great social purpose. Teaching infuses a sense of service in the minds of teachers because teaching is essentially a social service. It accords high premium on social service, which is the crux of teaching profession. It generates in-service growth. In teaching profession, a teacher always learns at all stages. Learning does not stop. Teacher has to be engaged in self-study and has to carry out self-learning in order to keep himself or herself abreast with the latest development in his or her subjects. There is a formal period of preparation and requirement for continuous growth and development. A person willing to take up this profession has to study for a number of years and acquire mastery over contents of the subject matter. After this, he or she has to pursue the defined teacher preparation program, followed by a period of induction or internship. There is a high degree of autonomy. Autonomy is free from any form of intervention. Any form of intervention in teaching activities is not tolerated, right from planning of activities, identifying objectives, development of curriculum, transaction of curriculum, evaluating the performance of students, etc. It has a common code of ethics. Teaching profession has a common code of ethics which guides the behavior and conduct of teachers in their institutions and outside. A code of professional ethics is the charter of rights and duties for the protection of professional autonomy and freedom. This can ensure development of high degree of recognition, regard, and social status of the profession, so that true professionalism emerges in the long run. Next, we are going to see is about why teaching is the most important profession. Teaching is highly a professional activity which demands specialized knowledge, skill, and behavior. Teaching professionalism comprises competence, performance, behavior which reflect on teachers' personality in school and society. Professional competence is fundamental in teaching profession, which includes preparation of teacher for classroom process, acquisition of subject knowledge, facilitates personality development of children, etc. A competent teacher is supposed to perform better in the interest of children and society as well. Now let's see why this teaching is considered an important profession. Teachers enlighten the world. Teachers hold a respected position in the society as they enlighten the world with immense knowledge. Teachers remain responsible for great variety of tasks in the educational world. Students receive huge encouragement and confidence from teachers. Teachers are the future developers of the nation. Teachers play an important role in our life to be successful in career and business. A good teacher helps us to become good human being in the society and a good citizen of the country. Teachers know that students are the future of any nation. So the future development of any nation is in the hands of the teachers. Teachers counsel students. The students are counseled by the teachers. This counseling is necessary for understanding the actual troubles or blockages faced by the students. Student difficulties need to be understood first, and then only the best solution can be suggested. Teachers can also be trusted as a source of advice for students weighing important life decisions. Teachers can help the students pursue higher education, explore career opportunities, and compete in events they might otherwise have not thought themselves able to be. Teachers bring changes in students' lives. Best teachers are committed to students' well-being, both inside and outside the classroom. By forging strong relationships, educators are able to affect virtually every aspect of student life. Teachers are pivotal to student success. A great teacher makes learning fun and creates engaging lessons which are essential for students' academic success. Some students who are more prone to misbehavior, truancy, disengagement are more dependent on an engaging teacher. Making classroom an exciting environment for learning will hold the students' fascination, and students learn the best when they are both challenged and interested. This will benefit the student immeasurably in the long run. Teachers are a source of inspiration. Inspiring students is integral to ensuring their success and encouraging them to fulfill their potential. Students who are inspired by the teachers can accomplish amazing things. Inspiration can also take many forms, from helping a people throughout the academic year and short-term goals to guide them towards a future career. Many working professionals still cite a particular teacher as the one who fostered their love of what they currently do and attribute their accomplishments to that teacher. So this is why teaching is considered to be an important profession. Thank you. Thank you all.